What's up guys, I'm gonna show you in today's tutorial how to connect Bitget Wallet to your X Empire. So today's tutorial is really simple, but I want you to keep up to the end to not miss out on anything. So what you want to do is go to your Bitget, and from there you're gonna click on Assets, and then you're gonna click on Add Funds in the top right of the screen. Then you're gonna click on Add Crypto, and after that I want to search for X Empire. When you find it, you're gonna click on it and it will give you a QR code and a wallet address. I want you to copy the wallet address and then go back to X Empire. There, you're gonna scroll down and find Bitget. I want you to click on it and it will give you two options. Yes, I have a wallet, and no, I don't have, so let's create it. But in this case, I have a wallet, so let's click on yes, I have a wallet. To take you to this page where you will paste your address right there. Then you're gonna go to Bitget again, and then you're gonna click on your profile in the top of the screen, and then long press on your UID on the top right of the screen to copy it. Then you're gonna go back to X Empire and paste it in the UID section. Then you're gonna press save and choose, and you're all done.